stomach kind of comes apart a little bit better. You can see how all the small intestines I'm holding right here, it's kind of all connected. See the connective tissue right here? These are called the messentaries that hold your intestines together. Right? These are the mesenteric arteries and veins right here. Right? Supply and move stuff from there. So what I want to show you guys is the pancreas though. Unfortunately, there's a lot of fat. I know it's going to be a little bit harder to see. The pancreas typically starts out in the curve of the duodenum, and then it moves back along the stomach over there. Can you guys tell that there's a color change right here? Not really. Kind of make it brighter. So everybody can you guys kind of see the stomach right here? So here's the stomach, here's the duodenum right here. You see this stuff right here that looks kind of more glandular looking? Okay. That right there, that's part of the pancreas. Right. So on the lab exam, if I have a pen right here, it says name the structure, right? And you put pancreas on there. The next question I'm going to ask you is, give me a function. Right? So you can tell me that it releases a hormone. You can tell me that it releases, digestive enzymes, bicarbonate. Right? So you can give me any of those as a thing. Now, if it says specifically like on a quiz or on an exam, name an endocrine function, then you got to give me a hormone. If it says give me an exocrine function, then give me digestive enzyme, give me bicarbonate. Okay. But that's the pancreas, and then the pancreas actually will travel back over here, and so it's very kind of diffuse looking on there. Right? So all this stuff right through here is the small intestines. So here's all the small intestines, and the large intestine is usually a lot easier to kind of find, but